Hi guys, today I will be participating in a tropical vibes coffee table or whatever type of table you have collab. This is actually hosted by HomeBody with Forlisa and MyStyleMyColours. There are a few rules that we need to follow. We must be a subscriber, and we need to mention the channels in our videos and share the playlist. So what we're going to be doing is preparing a tropical themed tablescape or island, bar area, or etc. So I will be preparing an island theme for a table in my foyer. Here I have my candles, matching candles on top of a mirrored tray with the crystal lined gem border. And I have some little loose crystals on here as well. Got my lights in the back that match in the aqua blue. And they're sitting with some of the decorated boxes. And my florals are sitting in a mercury vase. And you see I have some additional florals on the side, and I have my silver fan. Here I have a DIY. This is a crushed glass DIY candle holder. And I have a little tea light candle in turquoise sitting on top. I have my decanter with the ocean fresh scent. Smells really nice. And actually these tea candle lights have an ocean scent as well. And you'll see my wish tray with the little gems that I have in turquoise and clear. Hydrangeas is my favorite flower. This is definitely an island flower found in File. File is an island in Portugal, and File is covered in hydrangeas in a specific season. So I'm going to show you two different settings for this particular island themed table. There's a daylight setting, which is this setting here, and we have a nighttime setting. And you let me know in the comments which one you like the best. And I'm going to give you a daylight view. This is what it looks like at nighttime. So please go ahead when you're done looking at my style. There are plenty of other participants that you can check out, and you'll be amazed at what you're going to see.